welcome to our new website, which launched just yesterday, quietmark.com. When the user goes to the website, of course, they're still able to access the awarded products in the awarded products section at the top. But also there's the new building sector, which is available from the top menu. And you can see we've broken it down into building types, building sectors, so residential, commercial, civic, healthcare, governmental, educational, infrastructure, arts and entertainment, and public spaces. You can also scroll down the website and make a choice between using awarded products or viewing the Acoustics Academy to view the products. So let me take you through this. If you clicked on the Acoustic Academy, this video plays on the website. These are just stills for demonstration only. There's some information about what Acoustics Academy is, how it's come into being and what its mission is. And then underneath that, you're asked to select a building type. So you're working on a project, and you're thinking, I need acoustic solutions for the project I'm working on. So for this example, when you touch on residential, you're invited to choose private dwelling, dormitory accommodation, or care home and retirement. So let's go with dormitory. You come through to a lovely slide about dormitory, and together with Anderson, we've worked up, because it's not just a product directory, of course, it's an academy. There's education surrounding this, this whole platform. And so we've got some descriptions of if you're building a dormitory, what the acoustic considerations you might need to bear in mind are. And underneath that, you're invited to choose between 6 acoustic application areas, being exterior sound control, sound build-up and reverberation control, sound reduction of walls, floors and doors, impact footfall sound control, sound masking, ventilation and heating systems, and interior sound sources. In this example, the blue highlight is on sound build-up, so when you click through to that, and thank you, Baswa, for the still that we're looking at that comes to the top of this, again, some information about sound build-up and reverberation control. And then you scroll down, and you're invited to look at products, which we've got up there from brands like Allsfar, who've set up our podcast booth, more about that later today. And we've got Interface and Baswa and Armorcoat. So in this example, we're going to look at Armorcoat's acoustic plaster system. When you select that still, you'll go through to Armorcoat's page, and you'll be able to read information about the product, access through to their website to find out more about the product should you need to. A nice carousel of slides. When you click on the slide, it enlarges and you get it in full rich color. So that's how to search for acoustic products within the new Acoustic Academy. But then we did also talk about the academic side. So we've split that down into 2 areas. There's the quite weighty stuff, and then there's a sort of bit more simplifying version. So this is the glossary of acoustic concepts and parameters. And as you can see, it's a real sort of A to Z of acoustic terms. But then there's also something whereby, it sounds silly, but I know I've been talking to Ethan, one of our speakers, and he's talking about preparation for a building. And he says it's much better when the people that you're speaking to can speak sound, so to speak. And this is kind of that sound language, so it gives you various terms and an example of a sentence in which you might say those terms. I remember that with my musical terms at school with allegro and pizzicato and all these sort of things. You need to know how to say these things to be able to talk about music properly. This enables you to brief an acoustic design aspect of a building properly, made nice and simple.